Hey everyone, here we are at the Sands Villas in the dead center of all things Hilton Head Island, Coligny and the Sands Villas here. We can walk to the beach. We have this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath remodel. We're on the top floor. We have a great view of the pool. And here we are in this gorgeous location. So Greg, talk to us about the remodel because it's beautiful and they've done everything.
Exactly. Well, like you said, the location is incredible. But then when you match that to the quality of this redo, phenomenal. Look at the cabinets on the walls, all the way to the ceilings, the backsplash, the stainless steel appliances. Beautiful quartz island that you can seat 6 at. Flooring to a T was professionally done.
Yeah.
Has a really nice beachy feel. And when you pair that to the location, this is a winner.
Absolutely. I mean, look guys, we're here $439 for 2 beds, 1 bath, walk to the beach, walk to everything. It's a killer bargain here on Hilton Head Island. And not only that, but the sort of back of the napkin investment numbers really work out beautifully too, because our rental projection here is $45K for the year. So you are easily into a great location here. You have a great asset that will pay for itself if you hold it long enough.
You really do. $45,000, fairly maintenance free. Condo association, location, quality of the construction, the bathroom is fantastic. Like you said, the master has a view of the pool. Can't beat it. This is really special property, really is.
Absolutely. So great thing to add to your portfolio. Very, very approachable price point here on Hilton Head. If you have any questions, get in touch with us. Daniela and Greg here at Coast Professionals, brokered by eXp Realty, right here on Hilton Head Island.